Hey guys, Jason Scudellari with CPP, and today I want to talk about brake flaring tools. This is by far my favorite one for double flares, which is 45 degrees. This one's really ideal if you're doing like a frame off or if you're doing your brake lines outside your car. We do offer other brake flaring tools that you can do in your car in tighter spaces, but this is the one I want to show today, how easy it is, how fast it is, and how perfect of a flare it will do. So we're going to do 3/16 to start. Put the dies in there, pull it over. Yep. All right, first step is we're gonna zero this out. That's gonna get our line exactly where it needs to be to start our first flare. Tighten it up, and we're gonna go to 3/16 1. This will be our first flare. Next step, 3/16 2. And we just done a perfect double flare in a matter of seconds. Let's take a look. That perfect. And that's why this is by far my favorite flaring tool. We'll go ahead and do a fuel line. We'll do 3/8. This will do 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8. One thing that's really important though that I need to kind of jump on is when you are getting ready to flare these, be sure once you cut it, you deburr it inside and outside and make sure you got a nice flat surface. I like to use a fine file to do that. All right, now we're gonna switch over and do some 3/8 fuel line, and it's as easy as grabbing the 3/8 dies and putting them into the flare tool. Okay, we'll zero this out so we can get everything where it needs to be to start the first flare, tighten it up. Go to 3/8 1. And then spin it to 3/8 2. That's that. Let's see what we got. A nice looking flare there, flare nut on there, it's perfect. Again, this is the easiest tool I've ever used. It's quick. But again, this is made really to build lines outside the car. If you are gonna build some lines in the car, this flare tool works really well. And then we got a few different benders. This one will do 3/16 all the way up to 3/8. This one will do 1/4 to 3/8, and then we have a smaller tool that I forgot to bring with me that will do 3/16 to 1/4, and a couple different cutters, and we got some flare nut wrenches. But yeah, again, this tool will do all the way from 3/16, 1/4, 5/16, and 3/8. And the cool thing about it, something about tools that have their own cases I just love. So it breaks down really easily. Handle, take this out of the vise. Just like that. On your way. There you go. All right, guys and girls, when you're ready to order your classic car or truck parts or tools, give us a call or visit classicperform.com. And if you want to see more videos, visit our YouTube page and subscribe. Also hit up teamcpp.com.